Okay, so I wasn't even planning to make this today, but I had some milk and coconut sitting around, and I thought, why not? And oh my goodness, this turned out so good. No baking, super simple, and it tastes like a dream. Okay, first we are making the cream base. In a pot, I'm adding 1 liter of milk, 2 packets of chocolate pudding mix, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, here's the important part. Keep stirring the whole time. Don't walk away. We want this thick and shiny like a really smooth chocolate cream. Perfect. Now turn off the heat and add about 40 grams of butter. Stir it until it melts completely. This make it extra silky. Now grab a tray and cover it with shredded coconut. Think of it like you're making a coconut blanket. Just spread it everywhere. Pour your hot cream right on top and gently spread it out flat. Try to make it even so your roll comes out nice. We need to let this cool completely. I usually stick mine in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Okay, once it's nice and cold, we're adding the mousse. I'm using 2 packets of chocolate mousse mix. You can use any. Just follow the direction on the package. Spread this on top of your cream layer. Look how fluffy and light it is. It's like spreading chocolate clouds. This is what makes it extra special. Now the fun part, rolling. But first we need to cut this into rectangles so it rolls nicely. Perfect. Now start from one edge and roll it up slowly. Be gentle, take your time. It's okay if it's not perfect, it still tastes amazing. Look at that, beautiful. And that's it. Honestly, I just threw this together with what I had at home, and everyone went crazy for it. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. And if you want more easy recipes like this, hit that subscribe button. See you next time.